Hey all, Matt here, Bobcat Bonsai, and look, I showed back up to make another video. So here I am, doing good, making a video. Probably throw some random videos out here and there. Not really a schedule anymore, so that's how I'm going to do it from now on. Just random videos when I have time to make them. Other than that, I'm sitting back and enjoying working on my trees and getting everything going. Little guys. That's the Brazilian rain tree that we weren't sure was going to make it this past winter. And here's my Barbados cherry. That thing's looking flush. But we're here to open up this package right here. So, let's get to it. Gav told me this package was coming, and it actually got lost there for a little bit. And he sent me a message, and he was trying to tell me what it was. And I was like, no, Gav, I don't want to know. Because I just checked today, and it said it was on its way. Well, after that day that I checked, it then sat in customs for on hold for, man, I believe it was seven days. It was sitting in customs, and it's not like a live tree or anything, so it was just kind of weird. It's just something special Gav found for me that I thought was really cool, and I was waiting to check them all out. So he got me some little signs here. This one's a little man cave sign. That's super cool. Let's see. What's this one right here? It says, "Oh no, not you again." That's funny. I actually I really like that one. What's this though? Oh, so this one says "bullshit corner," and that's hilarious. So Gav got these for me because of my metal work I like to do and my forging, and it's so fitting for me because the bullshit corner is basically where failed projects go to sit and be remade again. That's what those are. Oh, what is what is this, Gav? I'm sure you all know who this is. So he found me a nice little Donald Trump. Oh, that's funny. That's funny. Gav, is it a bottle opener? Is that what the mouth is open for? To put a little bottle in there, just psh, opens it all right up. Those are cool. Those are definitely all going to go into where my forging area is at, and that's super exciting, dude. I really appreciate it. He also sent me a little note here. It says, "Hey Matt, hope everything is going well. As a blacksmith, Matt, I thought you might like these. A local flea market, I guess you would call these thrift stores, sells a few bits made by a local blacksmith. I've never met him personally, but he makes some great stuff. Enclosed, you should find a few signs that should bring a bit of fun to your workshop, and I couldn't help it. I had to get it." A Trump bottle opener. Oh, I thought that's what it was, Gav. That's awesome. That is awesome. Hope you like all of these and can find them a good home. All the best, Gav. Thank you very much, Gav. And it's not your handwriting. I just read really, really slow. So these things are all really cool, and they'll definitely be going up on the wall inside of my blacksmith shop, or probably even inside of my room. I'm not sure where they'll all go yet, but they're going to go somewhere. Hope you all enjoyed this quick unboxing video and got a good laugh out of it like I did. It was definitely cool not knowing what was in these boxes, Gav. I'm glad that it was more of a surprise. I really appreciate it, and I'll catch you on the next one.